Hello, friendos. This is the batch 1.1 hydroponic Buttercrunch and Romaine lettuce, day 4. So kind of cool. We'll probably be taking off the rest of the grow domes today. I haven't actually looked into this early, so I'll be just as surprised as you guys. So that's good. The left tank does have visible growth. So like we're starting to get those leaves, so that's pretty cool. And then we're already starting to get roots over there too, I believe. So, or at least I estimate. So that's kind of neat. But yeah, let's get into it because it is pretty late and I would like to go to bed. Alright, starting off with CO2 ppm. We're running at 400 for our CO2 ppm, and I cannot see the other numbers, so we will check them. And 25 degrees Celsius and 50% humidity. So let me graph that, and then let's open it up and check it out. Alrighty, first looks. This one doesn't look like it has it, but there is definitely some growth in there. And then these two are most prominent. They actually already have roots, so that is pretty neat. And I really don't remember, but I believe that, yes, that's a root. It's hard to see, but that is a root. But I believe that's way quicker for the roots than the other mode of the grow light is, so it's pretty sweet. And then in the right tank, we have this here. We have growth in this one. This back one, not so much. I'm going to give it one more day under the grow dome, so that should help it. Then below tank looks pretty much the same, just the plant's starting to reach out into that water. And then the right tank is nothing yet, I don't think. Yeah, not yet. So it's cool. Let's check out our ppm and EC for today. Looks like for today our ppm is running at 1067, EC is at 2134, and temperature is 24.5. Let's check out the left tank. And then our right tank is running at 953 for ppm, EC of 1906, and temperature of 25.1. So kind of interesting. Anyways, let's check out our graphs for today. Alrighty, kind of some interesting data. So humidity, CO2, ppm, and temperature are all on a kind of their normal thing, so that's good. They're all just equalizing, which means all our measurements are going to be valid. And then we don't have anything for our pH today. That sucks. However, the ppm and the EC is what I'm kind of interested in. So in the left tank, we see a drop, which I think is associated to those roots touching down on both that middle one and the back left one. Now in the right tank, we still see a rise, which is kind of interesting. But keep in mind, the right tank doesn't have any growth yet, so we can only conclude and assume that it's due to the roots. Hope you enjoyed.